Hey, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 475 horsepower turnkey package engine. Has a power force pistons, roller lifter camshaft in there for the customer's 1967 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, one-piece rear main seal. Then we have force pistons in there, double roller timing chain, Compcams, roller lifter camshaft, AFR, aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Brass freeze plugs, engine block painted to black, correct oil pan for the 67 Camaro, Taylor ignition wires, made in USA, all the wire markers on there. It's real nice 383 stroker valve covers with a matching air cleaner. Washable air filter element, PCV valves on there, braided PCV line on there, chrome thermostat housing, thermostats installed, polished intake manifold, Holley 750 CFM carburetor on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket. We installed the MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor, real important for firewall clearance on the 67 Camaro right there. Manifold vacuum fittings installed for any vacuum hookups. We installed the QuickTime SFI steel bell housing, center force, 26 spline clutch on there. We are going to be installing, after the test, the TKX 5-speed manual transmission. We'll mount that for the customer. He's getting all the internal hydraulic slave cylinder set up. We have that all adjusted for the customer, all set up. We even put the engine lift hooks on there to make it easy to install the engine. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. You have the braided fuel lines on there to the carburetor. Muscle Car Series fuel pump, Edelbrock gas filter on there, all the AN fittings with the braided line, loop clamps, all set. This engine has the March serpentine pulley kit on here, AC compressor on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, all set up, ready to go. High flow reverse rotation water pump, 140 amp alternator, one wire hookup, the GM Saginaw power steering pump. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over an hour. You're going to get a video of your engine running in the stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We set the idle mixer screws on the carburetor to get the best manifold vacuum. We set your idle. We adjust your ignition timing. We set that all up. The timing is set. So you know when you put the engine in, you'll have 100% total confidence that it's going to be absolutely perfect. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call. 908-323-5847 or send us a text. The number also. You can also email us at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it, our 383 Chevrolet Stroker 475 horsepower engine ready to go. Thanks for watching.